Welcome to Shomach Shov on the Daf Shir sponsor Yishmael Sam Yaakov the Rabbi Tzadok. We will hold the Basra Daf Zayin. The Gemara in the end of the base tells us that Yishmael did Teshuvah. Now the first already asked, the Torah Chai brings that a Gemara in Sanhedrin tells us that a father cannot save his son, and that's what it says. Avraham Avinu will not save Yishmael. So it seems to be a contradiction. Says the Torah Chai, don't tell me that these sugis are arguing. Because we have a Tana called Rabbi Yishmael. How can it be a Tana called Rabbi Yishmael if Yishmael is a Rasha? The answer is Yishmael did Teshuvah. So that's why it's called Rabbi Yishmael. So if so how can it be a Sukkah in Sanhedrin tells us that the Yishmael is still going to be in Gehenna and Avraham Avinu cannot save him? But Rabbi Tzadok HaKohen really answers this question, because Rabbi Tzadok HaKohen says in Kuntras Divrei Seifrim that every Teshuvah that Ummah Sa'olam do, Teshuvah of Goyim, works only mikam v'labo. It only works for them to be a tzaddik from here on. It doesn't fix the past. For the past, they still have to have a kapara. Only by Amisru you have the chiddush that Teshuvah works retroactively to take away all the past. But by Goyim, we don't have that. So that's why Yishmael, even though he did Teshuvah, it didn't really fix all the bad things he did before. And he made these two Gemaras shim together very much. And this leads us to a Gevaldik Maisa of the beautiful pilpul based on our sugya. And Sefer Chanukah Satoy when Kudus Achar has brought a story Rav Heshel from Krakow. And the story goes that a shadchan came to test him to see if he's a lamd and he knows how to learn. So they met in a hotel, and there was no sfarim over there, and there was only a siddur. So told the shadchan to Rav Heshel, open the siddur, say a vort. So you open the siddur, and in the beginning of the siddur you have Rabbi Yishmael Omer, the Gimel Midas Rabbi Yishmael, Shatori Dreshes B'hem, the Gimel Midas Shatori Dreshes B'hem. So said Rav Heshel, I have three questions on Rabbi Yishmael Omer. First of all, why is Rabbi Yishmael called Yishmael? Isn't that a name of a Rasha? Number one. Number two, it says Rabbi Yishmael Omer. Usually when you start something new, you should say Omer Rabbi Yishmael. Rabbi Yishmael Omer is usually an answer. Why do you start with the words Rabbi Yishmael and then you say the word Omer? And number three, what is one of the Gil Midrash Attorney Dreshes B'hem? The idea of Klal Prat to Klal. But Klal Prat to Klal works only if there is some order to the Torah. So you say it's as a rule, that is, there's a detail, what comes first, what comes second. But we know the rule in Mugdu Umeucher B'Torah, the Torah is not in order. So how can you have a rule of Klal Prat to Klal? So he says, okay, let's look at our Gemara. Our Gemara, it says Yishmael did Teshuvah. How do we know that Yishmael did Teshuvah? Because it says, Yitzchak Yishmael Bonov. Yitzchak is brought before Yishmael. That means Yishmael gave cover to Yitzchak to go first. But Ein Mugdu Mucha B'Torah. Maybe it says Yitzchak Yishmael, but really means Yishmael Yitzchak. Ella, what do you see from here? That in one pasuk, in one inyan, there is Mugdu Mucha. When do I say Mugdu Mucha B'Torah? When you have two different parashas, two different inyanim, Shiloh was written in order, Ein Mugdu Mucha B'Torah. But in the same inyan, in the same pasuk, of course, it's Mugdu Mucha. So if it says Yitzchak Yishmael, it means that Yitzchak came first. So we learn from this pasuk that there is an order in the Torah when it's one pasuk. Maybe all the questions are answered. Because based on this pasuk, we know that Yishmael did Teshuvah. That's why you have a Tana named Rabbi Yishmael. So if you have a Tana named Rabbi Yishmael, that means, when you have this name, Rabbi Yishmael, that means that Yishmael did Teshuvah, which means that you don't say in Mugdu Mucha B'Torah in one inyan. There is an order in one pasuk. So you made based on that, we could say Klal Prat to Klal. So that's why it says Rabbi Yishmael Omer Klal Prat to Klal. When you give me the turn one of them is Klal Prat to Klal. Rabbi Yishmael, I have the name Yishmael. Oh, I have the name Yishmael. That means that Yishmael did Teshuvah. How do you know Yishmael did Teshuvah? Because you don't have a problem Mugdu Mucha B'Torah. I don't have that. Omar. So from here on, I can go to the Gil Midos, which include Klal Prat to Klal, which I could say the order of the pasuk makes a difference, because in the same pasuk you do have an order. So all the questions were answered based on our Gemara over here. A beautiful pilpul or Rav Heshel of Krakow. Anyone who wants to join the Shomach Shova email us to Hotzagul, please email shomachshova@gmail.com.